Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Today's episode is completely spontaneous and unplanned because I opened up my fridge this morning and there was some bacon that needed to be used up, there was some cabbage that needed to be used up, and I was like, I got this. So today we're making a delicious, creamy, cheesy bacon slaw using the cabbage, of course, and it's gonna be delicious, guys, trust me. And it's so simple, so easy, you can whip it up in a flash. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and cook. So we're going to start by chopping up some rashers of bacon, and I'm using streaky bacon. You can use back bacon if you like, but just remember back bacon has less fat, so you may need some additional fat for this recipe then. Next, I'm going to put my bacon in a cold frying pan and then turn on the heat, and the idea is that I want to render out all that bacon fat. So put it on a medium heat and just let that bacon cook. Now remember folks, you got to be patient here because it's going to take some time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. The bacon will heat up, that fat will melt and render out, and the bacon will start to get crispy. Now of course you can cook the bacon to your liking, so if you prefer chewier bacon, then cook it as long as required to be chewy, otherwise let it crisp up completely. Now cooking bacon can be a dangerous task because have you heard of bacon burns? Sometimes the bacon just explodes in the frying pan and the oil hits you and you get burnt. So I have this wonderful tool called a splatter screen that I use from time to time. So remember guys, safety first. If you have a splatter screen, use it. Anyway, my bacon is done cooking now and it's done exactly how I want it. Not too crispy and not too chewy. Anyway, to this I'm going to add some chopped cabbage. And then I'm going to season the cabbage with some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some paprika, and some dried oregano. And then, ladies and gentlemen, give it all a good mix. Now once again, you can cook the cabbage to your liking. If you like it to have some bite, then don't cook it too long. If you prefer it slightly softer, cook it for a longer duration. Anyway, once your cabbage is kind of cooked, I'm going to add in some cheese, and I'm adding in some lovely strong cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like, no problem. I'm also going to pour in some heavy whipping cream. And then of course give it all a good mix. And you know, this is kind of like a bacon cheese sauce almost, but not quite. Anyway, give that all a good mix. I felt I wanted to add a little more cream, so I did. Give it all a good mix. And then, well, it was pretty much ready. Now I love the taste of fresh herbs in any dish, so I added some fresh coriander to finish it with. Of course you can use parsley, you can use chives, it's completely up to you. I didn't have any of those, so well, coriander it was, or cilantro as you call it. Anyway, our cheesy bacon cabbage slaw is ready and it's time to taste. Alright guys, so it's time to taste the creamy, cheesy, bacony slaw that I've made. And yeah, let me dig in. This is hitting the spot. And you know what? I have to give full credit to my friend Anu Narayan, whose house I first actually ate something like this at when I was in the UK last month, remember? And she was using up some bacon she had and she did something similar. And you know what? This is the perfect keto snack, keto side dish. It could even be your keto meal because it's got fat, protein, veggies, everything you need. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I'm going to go and enjoy this and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers and keep ketoing. Or keep cooking actually. I keep getting confused between my sayings. Anyway, see you later. I kid you not guys, this is delicious. So now for 20 seconds you're going to watch me eat, or you can click and watch another Headbanger's Kitchen video. Cheers. I never thought I would like cabbage. As a kid, I never ate it. Except in coleslaw. So good.